Okay, so your cone is in the middle, and it only has one click up. Okay, one click up, and then you go back to the middle, and then it's got one click down. So one up, one down. Okay, now what you're going to have to do in order to get your cone back in position is you've got a cap right here, and you've got like a screw that's poking out right there on each side. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get something with a flat surface, a flat edge, like a screwdriver with a flat edge. And you're going to have to put it underneath both sides, and then lift it up, and then push the cone back up in. Push the cone back up in place, and then let go. Okay, but you've got to be very careful each side of the cone.